first IMP essay questions from the chapter Demovire theorem, and the Demovire chapter weightage is 2 7 marks questions, that is 2 7s 14 marks. Here I shows you only 10 questions. The student who will follow these 10 questions will definitely attempt 2 essay questions in the public examination, that is 2 7s are 14 marks. So from this video the weightage is 14 marks. So the first question, show that 1 plus a whole power n plus 1 minus a whole power n is equals to 2 power n plus 2 by 2 into cos n pi by 4. Second one, 1 plus cos theta plus I sin theta power n plus 1 plus cos theta minus I sin theta power n is equals to 2 power n plus 1 into cos power n theta by 2 into cos n theta by 2. And the third one, if cos alpha plus cos beta plus cos gamma is equal to 0 is equal to sin alpha plus sin beta plus sin gamma, then show that cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma is equal to 3 by 2 is equal to sin square alpha plus sin square beta plus sin square gamma. Next, the fourth one, 1 plus I power 2n plus 1 minus I power 2n is equal to 2 power n plus 1 cos n by 2. Next one, if alpha comma beta are the roots of the equation x square minus 2x plus 4 is equal to 0, then show that alpha power n plus beta power n is equals to 2 power n is equal to 0 is equal to sin alpha plus sin beta plus sin gamma. Then show that cos 3 alpha plus cos 3 beta plus cos 3 gamma is equal to 3 cos alpha plus beta plus gamma, and sin 3 alpha plus sin 3 beta plus sin 3 gamma is equal to 3 sin alpha plus beta plus gamma. And the next one, if cos alpha plus cos beta plus cos gamma is equal to 0 is equal to sin alpha plus sin beta plus sin gamma, then show that cos of alpha plus beta plus cos of beta plus gamma plus cos of gamma plus alpha is equal to 0. Next one, if n is an integer, then show that p plus I cube power 1 by n plus p minus I cube power 1 by n is equals to 2 into p square plus q square power 1 by 2n into cos of 1 by n into tan inverse of q by p. And the next one, if show that 1 plus sin pi by 8 plus I cos pi by 8 by 1 plus sin pi by 8 minus I cos pi by 8 power 8 by 3 is equal to minus 1. And the last question, show that x power m into y power n plus 1 by x power m into y power n is equals to 2 cos m alpha plus n beta, and x power m into y power n minus 1 by x power m into y power n is equals to 2I sin m alpha plus n beta. Now these are the only important essay questions. All the answers of these questions are available in only 4 videos. Just I give the links of these 4 videos in the description. The students please open those links and follow the questions and get 14 marks in the public examination. Since the fourth question is not there in the videos, just I am explaining only fourth question here, and the remaining 9 sums are available in the videos. Just I am giving the link in the description. All of you open the link and prepare those questions for getting the 14 marks in the public examination. I am explaining only fourth sum. So this is the fourth question. Show that 1 plus I power 2n plus 1 minus I power 2n is equal to 2 power n plus 1 into cos n by 2. Very important is the question. So first I take the only first term of the LHS. Okay, this is the first term of the LHS, and I compare this value with a plus ib. So when we compare this value with a plus ib, then what we get, the value of a is equals to 1 and p is equals to 1. So here we have that a is equal to 1 and p is equals to 1. Next we take the value square root of a square plus b square. Okay, first we take the only first term of the LHS and we compare this value with a plus ib. Then a is equal to 1, b is equal to 1. Now root over a square plus b square is equal to root over 1 plus 1, that is equals to 2. 1 square is equals to 1, 1 square is equals to 1. Now taking the first term here, therefore 1 plus I power 2n is equals to, now applying this value to this step, that is like that, root 2 into 1 plus I by root 2 whole power 2n. So here first we have to take the value of the square root of a square plus b square, that value is equals to 2. Now we are applying that value to this term root 2 by 2. When we cancel these two terms, then directly we get the value 1 plus I power 2n, and this is equals to, now separating the power here like that, root 2 power 2n into 1 plus I by root 2 power 2n. Root 2 power 2n into 1 plus I by root 2 whole power 2n. And this is equals to root 2 is equal to 2 power 1 by 2. Root 2 equals to 2 power 1 by 2. Now here separating the denominator, that is 1 by root 2 plus I by root 2. 1 by root 2 plus I by root 2, separating the denominator. Here 2 and 2 gets cancelled. So this is equals to 2 power n into 1 by root 2 plus I by root 2 is nothing but I into 1 by root 2. I by root 2 or I into 1 by root 2, both are same here. I by root 2 is equals to I into 1 by root 2, and this is equals to 2 power n into, now I want to convert this value in the form of cos theta plus I sin theta. For that I replace the value cos pi by 4 here. 1 by root 2 is equal to cos pi by 4, cos 45 degrees, plus I into 1 by root is equal to sin pi by 4, which is equals to 2 power n into, now applying the De Moivre's theorem, writing the power as a quotient of the angle, cos, multiplying the angle by this number, that is cos 2n pi by 4. So here applying the De Moivre's theorem means multiplying this angle by the power value, cos 2n pi by 4 plus I sin 2n pi by 4. Now it is cancelled by 2 times here, it is cancelled by 2 times. So this is equals to 2 power n into cos n pi by 2 plus I sin n pi by 2. So similarly, we take the second value of the LHS. What is the second term of the LHS? 1 minus a power 2n. So that is equals to, the answer is, simply we take the answer is equals to 2 power n into cos n pi by 2 minus I sin n pi by 2. That is, in the above answer, we change the sign of the term. In place of plus, we have to take minus n to get the answer of the second part. Now writing the LHS and replacing these two values. Therefore, LHS is equals to 1 plus I power 2n plus 1 minus I power 2n is equals to, what is 1 plus I power 2n value? 2 power n into cos n pi by 2 plus I sin n pi by 2. So this is the value of the first term. And what is 1 minus I whole power 2n? That is equals to 2 power n into cos n pi by 2 minus I sin n pi by 2. Now what is the next step? See here, 2 power n, 2 power n. 2 power n is common in both of the terms. So taking 2 power n common here, 2 power n into cos n pi by 2 plus I sin n pi by 2. Just taking 2 power n common here from these two terms. So this is the first remaining value, and the next value is equals to cos n pi by 2 minus I sin n pi by 2. Now here I sin n pi by 2 minus I sin n pi by 2 gets cancelled. So this is equals to 2 power n into cos n pi by 2 plus cos n pi by 2. That is 2 cos n pi by 2. Cos n pi by 2 plus cos n pi by 2. Now 2 power n into 2. What is that value? 2 power n plus 1 into cos n pi by 2. That is equals to RHS. Therefore, the answer is 1 plus I power 2n plus 1 minus I power 2n is equals to 2 power n plus 1 into cos n pi by 2. All questions answers are available in the videos. I am giving the link in the description. So all of you open those videos links and attempt all the 10 questions to get 14 marks in the public examination.